checking somebody's profile.
Any
It's
silly.
not. Yeah, it's how is it stalking? If I'm going checking out what Deepika Padukone is doing, how is it stalking?
It's not like every time visiting that one profile.
Oh,
Something like
no.
that. Not once.
Honestly, nobody. Nobody.
Sahi is right.
But nobody.
I don't know, me, I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Who is more stressed about TRPs? Like between both of you guys, who's more stressed out?
Who's most what?
Who is more stressed about TRPs?
TRP.
It's me. इस हफ्ते का कितना आया, इस हफ्ते का कितना आया, सोचते रहता हूँ.
सीन के बीच में check the phone, you're like, oh shit, that it's 8 point से drop हो गया, 0.1 से drop हो गया.
Of course, we have to see the progress.
Okay. Stressed about relationship problems. इसके खत्म ही नहीं होते.
Relationship problems.
Yeah, relationship problems.
Who's there in relationship?
Yeah.
Who's stressed? Like कौन ज़्यादा stressed रहता है regarding relationship problems?
See, both of us are single, so we don't really have relationship issues. So right now, I don't know if you will ever get into a relationship and stress about it.
Same with her. We don't know what's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who forgets the dialogues more often?
It's both, I guess. कभी मैं, कभी वो.
Yeah, there are days when you are like done shooting every day 6:30 you're on the set and everything. So it happens to every day.
It happens, like we are telling the line, वो था क्या, वो था या. The grammar mistakes, basically what we make.
So
Conjunctions.
मिलके हम लोग time देते हैं.
वो है.
Okay. Is always late. Who is always late?
Who's always late?
Yeah.
No, we have to run on time basically.
Yeah, we can't be late.
So we get up at around morning 5
And
something. So we reach the set at 6:30. So it's a morning to evening schedule. भागना ही पड़ता है रोज.
Who sleeps more in between the shots?
Who sleeps more?
Sleeps. I think
Sleeps more.
sleeps. Who sleeps more in between the shot?
No, I don't sleep between the shots.
I have some sleeping pictures which people have taken. So. So far,
Okay, so now she has proofs, alright? You can't deny it.
the whole set has.
Yeah, I saw her
Okay.
sleeping.
Only once. Why?
हाँ वो मेरे hall
Proud of
में.
myself.
One habit you like about each other? एक आदत. One habit.
Other
Yeah. You like about each other.
that he will not let it go until and unless the shot is perfect.
Okay.
Director
And
will
what
go
about you?
One.
Sometimes he'll get frustrated. Okay, Baba, चलो ले लो.
He's like, dude, it's fine. I liked it. He'll be like, नहीं sir, मेरे लिए एक sir, एक.
Even she gets frustrated. अरे कितने बार बोल मैं डालो. I see from her expression, so she doesn't need to tell that. So yes.
Okay, so Shivangi's date of birth. Do you know?
Huh?
Sorry?
Shivangi's date of birth. Do you know?
A date of birth, January 15th, because we celebrated her birthday on our
When
set.
we were shooting.
When
What
we were
about you,
shooting.
Shivangi?
Yeah.
So his date of
10th
birth.
10th of July. We just celebrated.
Just recently, my birthday happened.
That's good. Okay. Actress you want to work with. Like, अगर शिवांगी नहीं, अगर after this show अगर आपको किसी के साथ काम करना हो, the actress you wanted to work with, like शिवांगी के अलावा.
I don't have anything like ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं कि मुझे इनके साथ काम करना है, इनके साथ काम करना है.
बस किसी का काम जो बहुत अच्छा लगता हो.
नहीं, अगर actors, like I really want to work with Mr. Rajnikant. I don't know what other actors, but
No, I was
just
talking
going-
about television.
in television I have not मैंने कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं है that I want to work with them something ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Just going with project to project.
Shivangi, what about you?
I
No
have
actor?
many. I have many.
Please.
Okay, you can name few of them.
I have Ritvik Ganjani, then Karan Vahi, then Karan Kundra, then all the Karans in fact. All the Karans. Good actors.
अच्छी खासी लंबी लिस्ट अच्छी बात है. You should always have choices in mind.
They are good actors, yeah. You can't
Yeah,
choose
you
them.
exactly you have. No doubt about that. The worst thing you have done in anger and regretted it later.
Sorry, the worst thing?
The worst thing you have done in anger and regretted it later.
I think I'll take one of our incidents. Like, we were फिर से anyhow. So when we were doing the scene, and I got really upset on him.
Okay.
Not a lot on the set.
Okay.
It's
I hope हम अच्छे से ये live आज finish कर लें.
Yes.
Okay. So you were telling the story, Shivangi.
Although once we were doing this scene, which I'm not able to recall. So it was where Pallavi is giving some money and Raghav is returning it to her, and we had like a small, unbun that time. Like, listen, don't give it to me in the hand, don't put it here, don't give it, don't throw the money. And I was like, I'm going to kill this man. I will kill him. मैं हेलमेट पहना था, हेलमेट निकाल के मारूंगी इसको.
Yeah, I remember that.
So we had a small fight. So yeah.
Yeah, we had, and after
That-
that, she got really upset after that scene. Even I got upset, like, we are not talking to each other.
Okay. What misconceptions you guys had about each other when you guys first met, and how did it change? Any misconceptions?
That I thought he's somebody who's very casual about everything, but he's not. He's very particular about this shot has to be given this way. I want this to come out this way. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm like that.
What do you say?
I had conception about her, like, I thought, like, yeah, she's a straightforward girl and casual. So that's the only thing. And that's true.
But-
Yeah. And nothing much.
Okay. Describe each other in 3 words. You have to describe each other in 3 words. Let's start with Sai.
Hardworking and passionate. These are the 2 words I would give him. This is related to work because I mostly observe him there.
The same thing, like, yeah,
तो है ही नहीं.
घमंडी भी है वो, पर मैं बोल नहीं रही हूँ because हम लोग बहुत सारे लोग हैं.
already bored with you.
थोड़ा सा घमंडी है, थोड़ा सा ऐसे क्या
It's not like Ghamadi. When situations go out of control, I just, like, what are you doing? What is this? What is this? This is supposed to be like this. I become
What
like
would you say?
That's what, okay, about her. She's also very much hardworking and totally focused on work. And yeah, that's it. And chilled out person.
Okay. What's one thing Sai does that you never want your boyfriend to do? One.
so many.
So, bolo it.
He gets angry like.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
want.
अच्छा अब ना ये लाइव करने के बाद मुझे समझ में आ रहा है.
No, he's somebody who has. Who's like, if somebody is bad, somebody is bad. I don't want to, talk to that person. So I keep
Okay.
telling him, calm down. You should, sometimes be like, "Nahi, it's okay. I don't care. I'll just be nice to the other person." So, सीख रहा है, लड़का सीख रहा है. And
Yeah.
Vallabh,
Okay.
don't worry.
Oh, but इसलिए बोला है Shivpal. That's why I told Shivpal. Shivani and Parga.
Simple.
Maybe.
Okay, if you guys had to write Insta bio for each other, what would you write?
Sorry?
If you guys had to write Insta bio for each other, what would you write?
Angry young man.
Okay.
Angry young man. And I can tell her like, सबके बारे में भला सोचती है. Something like that.
Positive with a
big heart.
yeah, big heart.
Devi.
Having a big heart.
Shivangi with a big heart, huh?
Okay, she's taking it wrong.
Okay. What's something considered as luxury but you can't live without it?
Huh?
What's one thing?
What's something considered as luxury but you can't live without it?
Ah,
What's something
luxury, but you can't live without it.
that's luxury, but you can't live
Live
without
without it.
it. Luxury.
Yeah.
Yeah, luxury.
Oh.
Like you guys know it's a luxury but you can't live without it, you know? It's just obvious. You just can't.
I was also going to say the same.
A phone.
Phone?
Phone. Okay.
Still
Phone.
people-
Otherwise, I can live without anything.
I guess she can live without a phone for a month or two.
Yeah, I can like be happy.
अच्छा कौन दोनों में से सबसे ज्यादा फोन पे लगा रहता है?
Guess who?
Who?
I can guess.
Who?
It's me. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने थोड़ा कम कर दिया सोशल मीडिया, बट आई एम स्टिल देयर ऑन सोशल मीडिया.
कौन सबसे ज्यादा भुक्खड़ है यहाँ पे?
Booker.
दोनों. She likes food.
दोनों?
Yeah. Food.
But not Booker.
How you guys look so fit?
वही तो इसलिए बोल रही हूँ, not too Booker, but a little bit.
Not like junk food, like
Okay.
we like food.
Yeah.
Nice one. Wow.
Okay. The image of which star comes to your mind after hearing this? जो मैं अभी बोलूंगी, okay? टीवी का सुपरस्टार.
What superstar?
टीवी का सुपरस्टार. हाँ, किसका image mind आता है?
Jennifer Winge.
Yeah. High five शिवांगी.
High five to you.
What about you, Sai? What do you think? Who's टीवी का सुपरस्टार?
मुझे सच में नहीं पता, because I don't watch that. Not
Can you
watch.
feel it as him?
मुझे लग रहा है शिवानी को एक परफेक्ट वीकेंड चाहिए जहाँ पे वो सही को सब इंफॉर्मेशन दे सके अबाउट टीवी.
Maybe I'll teach Shivani. Make you sit with a book and a pen and I'll be like, write it down.
Yeah. Okay. खूबसूरती की दुकान.
खूबसूरती की दुकान.
हाँ.
Oh, thanks.
Shivangi.
Oh, that is so sweet.
Pallavi Raghav Rao.
ये हो गया.
Okay. सबका दोस्त.
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
सबका दोस्त.
सबका दोस्त. In
a show or somewhere outside?
सेट पे कहीं पर भी.
अच्छा, सबका दोस्त.
The one person का.
Jay Mishra, our executive producer, our supervising producer. Jay
सबका
Mishra.
दोस्त.
सबका दोस्त. Is one of a crazy guy on our sets.
Okay. Now what we are going to do is our next segment. यहाँ पे आप अपने फैंस के साथ भी इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हो, उनकी हेल्प भी ले सकते हो. वैसे तो आप दो हो, आप एक दूसरे की हेल्प भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? So I'll tell you the description and you have to guess the movie. Which movie is it? Okay.
Okay.
I hope सही आप इंडियन मूवीज देखते हो, बॉलीवुड देखते हो,
हाँ,
not just
देखता हूँ.
तेलुगु.
I'll try my best.
Okay.
Answer if I won't be able to. I won't get sleep tonight.
I'll try my best. Chalo,
Okay, listen to it very carefully, okay?
Okay.
Aditya bumps into Geet, who's on the run from her family. They go from being unlikely travel companions to friends. Wow!
Jab bhi met.
Wow! इतना फास्ट सही. आपको थोड़ा सा रुके फोकस करना पड़ेगा इधर, थोड़ा सा और अटेंटिव होना पड़ेगा.
मूवी है ये.
Okay. An Indian commando goes undercover in a college to foil a terrorist plot.
Is it Baby?
He goes undercover in the college. The college.
In a college.
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar movie. With Shruti Hassan.
No. As an undercover commando. Commando.
मैं हूँ ना.
Yeah. There you go. इतनी famous movie है. Oh my god. Okay, next. Okay, next. When Prem meets his brother Rajesh's sister-in-law Nisha, the two fell in love, but Nisha's sister unexpectedly dies and she expected to marry Rajesh.
Oh, one second. Again.
When Prem meets his brother Rajesh's sister-in-law, okay, the two fall in love together, okay, but Nisha's sister dies. So everybody expects from her to marry Rajesh.
हम आपके हैं कौन?
Yeah.
Oh god, such a big description.
सही. It's like two हो चुके हैं शिवांगी के. You're on zero.
I'm getting bad at this. I know. I can.
Okay, next one. On a trip to India, Jasmeet's father forcefully marries her off to Arjun, but Jasmeet still loves Charlie Brown.
But Jasmeet?
Still loves Charlie Brown.
Oh, wait. Can you repeat it?
Jasmeet meets.
On a trip to India, Jasmeet's father forcefully marries her to Arjun.
London.
Yeah, right.
Is the question?
सही इधर लिखने के बजाय पूरा शिवांगी पे फोकस है. कब बोलेंगी शिवांगी?
Thank you.
Yeah,
for
repeat.
saving me.
Okay. Should I go for the next one?
Yes.
So you're so nervous, huh?
Because I
Naina,
ज़्यादा ऐसा देखता है. Yeah, fine. I'll try.
okay, this one is especially for Sai. Okay.
Please.
Naina and okay, an independent woman recovering from a breakup meets a musician in New York. From there, they experience love, heartbreak, and the facts of life.
It's a Karan Johar film. It's a recent which he directed.
I didn't see that movie. I don't know.
Okay, let me give him a hint. Let me give him a hint.
ये दिल है मुश्किल. Okay, ये दिल है मुश्किल.
Finally,
Yeah, Ranbir Kapoor and Anushka Sharma.
शिवांगी की हेल्प के बाद सही सक्सेसफुल हो चुके हैं.
क्या होगा मेरा तुम्हारा मेरे बिना?
इसलिए तो बाजू में है तुम.
Hasan is saying she whispered, and that's right.
एक एक हिंट देते हैं धीरे धीरे. I'm teaching him. I'm telling you now.
Okay, the last one. Naina and Kabir meet during a trip where she falls in love with him, but refrains from expressing it. They soon drift apart, but end up meeting at a friend's wedding, where she falls in love with him on a trip. Naina. Naina falls in love with
Shahrukh
him
Khan
on a trip.
Sharma. No, no.
Say, Naina falls in love with him on a trip. And the guy name is Kabir.
Oh no, Deepika. ये जवानी है दिखाना.
हाँ, yeah, Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika, yes.
Right. High five. एक हो चुका है. 4
Thank you.
and 1 try with the help of Shivangi. Okay, the last one. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying it. Guess the song and I'll give you the English lyrics of it. Okay. We'll never break this friendship. The easiest one.
We'll never break this
Friendship.
वो गाना है ना, ये दोस्ती वो वाला
हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
शोले.
शोले.
Wow.
अरे this one was
That's
all
what
by
actually easy.
itself.
ये दोस्ती.
I'm thinking of some new song.
No,
Okay. There's one heart and one life.
What?
There's one heart and one life.
Oh, bad with songs.
I'm very bad with songs. I'm bad with movies, so of course, definitely with the songs, it's worse, I guess.
Live with one heart and one life.
No. There's one heart and one life.
There's one heart and there's one life.
अच्छा.
Tanvi is helping you guys.
Help us.
You can give me some hints, I
एक
guess.
दिल है, एक जान है. Oh.
एक दिल एक जान, okay.
Deepika and this रणवीर Singh song.
Yeah, Padma.
Padma.
Thank
एक
you.
दिल है
That's-
जान. Okay.